Today, I'm making an adorable little mandrake doll inspired by Harry Potter. It's a super fun and easy needle felting project that takes about 1 to 2 hours, perfect for a cozy craft session. Plus, it fits perfectly in a small clay pot, making it extra cute. Having a reference image is super helpful. It keeps the proportions right and makes the whole process easier. I highly recommend have one handy while you do needle felting. Alright, let's start. First, making the body. Grab some brown wool and a medium felting needle. 38G works great. Start lightly poking the wool to shape it into a ball. Keep poking until it firms up and holds its shape. Check the size against your reference to make sure it's about right. If the ball's looking a little too small, no worries. Just grab some more wool, wrap it around the felted ball, and poke it in until it firms up and reaches the size you want. Now let's make the legs. Grab some wool and roll it into a loose cylinder shape. Check your reference. Make it a little bigger than the leg size you need since it'll shrink as you felt it. Now, just start poking until it firms up. And trust me, when working on small pieces like this, finger protection gloves are a lifesaver. Those needles hurt. Once you're happy with the first leg, go ahead and make the second one the same way. Once they look good, attach them to the body by poking the wool together at the seams. Now we have a rough base shape. To refine it, start adding small amounts of wool to sculpt the body. This also helps cover the connection marks. Work in sections, add wool to the sides, then the lower body, then the legs. Keep poking until everything blends together smoothly. When refining the shape, I recommend wearing finger gloves to protect your hands. Use your fingers to gently push the wool into place before poking. For example, if the legs need to be tighter, press them together and keep poking until they stay put. Keep refining until you're happy with the final shape. Now it is time to add eyes and mouth. I'd like to use reference again to find the eye placement. Take a stab awl and create 2 small holes for the eyes. Add a little clear glue to the doll eye pins, then insert them into place. For the mouth, use a disappearing pen to lightly mark the position. Take a tiny bit of black wool and use a fine felting needle. 40G works great to poke it into mouth shape. Let's make the hands. Like the way we made the legs, except hands are much smaller. Once you're happy with your hands, go ahead and attach them to the body. At this point, the main mandrake body is done. It's time to make leaves. Take some green wool and use your reference as a guide. Fold the wool into a leaf shape and start poking to define it. Keep the bottom of the leaf loose. We'll need that part later to attach it. To get a clean edge, I like to wear finger protection gloves and press the wool from the top and bottom while poking along the edges. Keep shaping and adding wool until you're happy with how the leaf looks. Then, repeat this process to make 2 more leaves. Now let's connect the leaves to the body. Take one of the leaf and open up the loose wool at the bottom and position it around the top of the mandrake's head. Use a medium, felting needle to poke the wool into the body until it holds firmly. Do the same for the other 2 leaves. And that's it! Your super cute mandrake is ready. Pop it into a small pot and you've got the perfect magical companion. Want to make your own? You can grab my reference image in the description. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun needle felting projects. Thanks for watching.